Hello, welcome back. So today I'm going to build the Lego Friends Axolotl Adventure Boat. So this is a small set this year, but it's absolutely adorable. It's just so cute. So let's build this set. So we don't have a lot of things actually. We have 2 guidebooks and 2 bags of Lego. Okay, so now let's build the dolls. So this is Leo. So Leo's clothes, I have so many of these clothes now. So anyway, Leo is also wearing a life vest. So it looks like this. And we have another doll. But okay, before that, we're going to make a water bottle for Leo. There you go. Leo is holding his water bottle. Looks very nice. So this is Leo and this is Alba. So Alba is Leo's little sister, and her dress, there is bubbles drawn on it. So Bubbles is a pink axolotl. And look at that. The life vest is so big for her. It looks as if it swallowed her. Anyway, we have 2 axolotls. So the pink one is Bubbles and the blue one, his name is Opal. Yeah, so they look so cute. So I have 2 Bubbles now because there was also Bubbles in Leanne's house set, but Opal also looks very cute. It's hard to choose which one looks cuter because they both look so cute. So this is an axolotl adventure boat set. So we're actually going to build a boat over here, and the boat looks like Bubbles. It's very cute. I think it's totally adorable. Yeah, actually, I've never heard about like this axolotl before like I saw these sets. So I searched like some photos because I wanted to see how they actually look like in real life, but it's actually not as cute as it is in Lego. It kind of looks creepy to be honest, but Lego looks very cute, so it doesn't matter. But it says that they became sort of like popular because it looks as if they're smiling. So anyway, we have like binoculars and we have like ore as well over here. Yellow one looks very cute and it looks exactly like Bubbles, don't you think? Like, and it can also like wiggle its tail. And this one is it looks like really magical place. I guess like axolotls live in these sort of places, but anyway, it looks so amazing. Like those transparent colors look sort of like jewels. I mean, I don't think they're jewels, but it sort of looks like it. I mean, it looks so magical, like some place that wouldn't exist in Earth or something like that. It looks so pretty, don't you think? And there's like worms everywhere because apparently that's what they eat, which is kind of disgusting. But you know, birds also eat worms, so I guess it's kind of normal. But anyway, those flowers look so pretty too, and I love all these decorations. This is just so pretty, don't you think? I think this set is just so amazing. Oh my god, look at all those flowers. This set is so amazing. I just love it so much. I think this is really amazing. Like the place that where they live, like the place that I've built. This one, yeah, this one looks so amazing. Like it looks so pretty in like every angle. It's so amazing. I just love it so much. This is so pretty. Like I love those transparent yellow flowers. I think they look really amazing. This is so fantastic. Okay, so now we finished building this set and now we're going to start playing with it. I'm so excited, Leo. When is the boat coming? Oh, here it comes. Oh, wow. It looks exactly like Leanne's pet axolotl. What was her name again? I think it was something like Bubbles. Yeah, I think so too. You know what? I also bought this dress and I think it looks sort of like Bubbles. Yeah, I know. Are you ready to see some axolotls? Of course I am. Oh my god, Leo. There they are. Oh my god. Oh my god. They're so cute. They look so amazing, and the one that's in the bottom looks exactly like the one that Leanne has, and she actually looks a lot like our boat. Yeah, and the one on the top, the blue one, looks so cute too. Just look at them, Leo. They are so adorable. Oh my god, they're so cute. I just love them so much. Like they're so amazing. Yeah, so amazing. Can I watch them a little bit closer? Yeah, I suppose. Oh my god, Leo, they're so adorable. It sort of looks like they're smiling. Oh my god, but there are worms everywhere. That part I don't really like, but they're actually quite big. They're almost as big as me, Leo. Yeah, they're so big. Oh my god, this one looks as if it's talking to us. Yeah, it's so cute. Do you like the blue one or the pink one, Leo? To be honest, I think I like the pink one a bit more. Yeah, but the blue one is so nice too. They're both so amazing. Oh my god, they're so cute. It's time for us to go back, Alba. Oh, I'm gonna miss you guys. Oh my god, they're so cute. They're the cutest animals ever. They're really the cutest animals in Lego Friends. Really, they're so cute. So, okay, Alba and Leo, they like came back, and the boat is actually really nice too. It can like sort of like wiggle its tail, and it's very cute. Okay, so Leo and Alba, they finished their visit, and that is the end of the playing. I didn't really play with this set for a long time because there's not actually a lot of things to do, you know, it's a small set. So anyway, today I built the Lego Friends Axolotl Adventure boat set, and it's really amazing. They are so adorable. So see you next time. Bye bye. See you next time.